Hello guys, I'm Dia and welcome to Freshers Camp. Hope you guys are doing great. So, we are back with another opportunity for you guys, that is the MAQ software Offcampus Recruitment 2020. But before that, I want to tell you something about our channel. We provide updates on government jobs, technical, non-technical and all other opportunities present there. We also provide some of the preparation materials for government jobs and campus placements. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, then please do so by clicking on the subscribe button and hit on the bell button so that you do not miss any of our latest updates. So, MAQ software hires system engineers for BE, B.Tech and MCA graduates at Hyderabad. So, the eligibility is BE, B.Tech and MCA, and the experience required is 1 to 3 years. And the last date for the application is as soon as possible. Now, some of the skills required is excellent communication skills in English, customer orientation, ability to multitask and work 6 hours a day, ability to work in rotational shifts, etc. You can find the detailed information about this list in the link given below in description. Now, some of the job responsibilities are develop and maintain customer SharePoint online pages, monitor system network and functions, complete certifications and trainings on latest technologies, evaluate new technology options and vendor products. Again, you can find the whole list of job responsibilities in the link given below in description. Now, I will share my screen from my laptop to show you guys how to apply for this application. Again, all the eligible and interested candidates can apply for this application. So guys, here we have come to this page of MAQ software Offcampus Recruitment 2020 for system engineers, BE, B.Tech and MCA is the eligibility. And now moving forwards to apply for this application. Now these are some of the latest updates of their company and the skills required, the job responsibilities you can also view here. And okay, this is how to apply for this company. Just simply click here. Now this kind of page of MAQ software will open with system engineers and job description, company culture and all the things. Just simply click for this job. As if you want, you can read this and then agree. Add your resume here and then a cover letter. Like you have to fill your first name, last name, email, phone, street address, any of the address if you have, then street address true, then city, state, then zip, then country, and add your online profile link also. And now just slide down, and these are the questions you have to appear for and to give the answers here, and then the job score registration you have to do here, and then register. You can also register with Facebook, LinkedIn and Google and give the password here and then just simply submit. Okay, now these are the simple steps you need to follow for appearing for this company, that is the MAQ software recruitment 2020. Again, the eligibility is BE, B.Tech and MCA. Thank you. So, these were the simple steps you need to follow for applying to this company. Do not forget to like, comment and share this video. Also, subscribe to our channel.